What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, icy, heavy, thick snow might clog your snowblower. So, you might want to try this. So, about to snowblow, and one of the big problems is, you can see here, we got about 6 inches of snow last night, but it's actually been sleeting with freezing rain, and so it's actually compacted it down quite a bit, and we get, look, we have a creme brulee-like layer of ice on the top of the snow, and what you can see is it's just these huge crystals, and this is the stuff that gets really clogged up easily in snowblowers and ends up, clogging the chute because it's really compact. I mean, this would be like good ice ball snow, but it's terrible for snowblowing. You want it frozen and loose, and it just shoots and flies out. So one of the ways that I'm going to try to fix that is with this DuPont non-stick dry film lubricant. Now, this doesn't say for snow, but as I was reading the instructions, it did say that you could use it on snowblowers. It also says throttle cables, cutting blades, rubber seals, hinges, locks, gears. So I'm going to try it and see if we can actually snowblow this kind of stuff. Now we just apply it to the auger on your snowblower. You can kind of rotate it around if you want to get good coverage. And then I'm also going to spray it on the sides and the wall and the back of the chute just to get a nice little film on everything. And then also in the chute itself, this is a place where things can get really clogged up. And now we will see if this helps throw some really suspect snow. So what I can tell you is that the snow conditions, I think, are challenging for any snowblower. These are absolutely the types of conditions where I would be using the stick that comes with the snowblowers to try to unclog the chute and around the auger. So I was really impressed that the snowblower ran as well as it did, and I definitely think applying some of this lubricant makes a huge difference. So it's always nice to have a bottle of this around, and if you want to pick one up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!